Hello guys, good morning everybody. Welcome back to my channel Crypto Viral. Information about cryptocurrency, ICO, trading and body program. Okay, I hope you all be fine. And this is my new video about gambling project, and you can try. This is very good for you. Okay, let's talk all about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency this year very popular in the world, and so many people buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency for make money online and make profit. And don't forget, this year you can playing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency for gambling project and betting. Uh, okay. Uh, Today I will be review this one project. The name is Vipgame. This is a new gambling website for you. Maybe you can try. This is very fair and so easy to make money online, and you can try. This is very good. Okay. For more detail, you can visit website vipgame.io and you can join uh, this project. Okay, let's going to website for you for more detail how to play game Vipgame and how to game this project. Hello guys, this is a display of website Vipgame. You can see it here. This is good feature, and here all game, and here referral project, and here cryptocurrency with Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. If you want to deposit your money Bitcoin, you can click here this button, and here application for your phone, and here this is my account. You can click here for your detail account. And right now you can see my username here, and here my phone number if you want to change, and here my password. If you want to change my password, you can click here. Okay, VIP game. Right now we are ready for two game project with lottery and dig gambling. And right now blackjack but is coming soon, will be open another year. Okay, this point of project Vipgame. Here this is all of Vipgame. The first decentralized and profit sharing crypto gaming platform. We are support with Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, and Tron betting. Vipgame with fire. We do not control the Rosette blockchain based, decentralized. Every bet and every reward sustain and blockchain forever. Generous referral system, spread and work and big fire and get 8% reward and the invite the profit. Profit sharing and near future VIP game. Bankroll will be open the investor being part the growing bankroll investor and get stable benefit from the profit and bankroll the long frame. Okay, this is all about VIP game. The next how to play on VIP game for lot try. You can try here. You can click for lot try. Okay, let's play lot try game. Okay, right now you can see this is a display of lot try for VIP game. How to play? You can choose this one number for your rookie number, and right now you can visit here. The next, this is a very simple for you, and here you can see it. This is a winner, and right now for gambling deck you can click here. Okay, this is display for deck. You can deposit here, and here your money but right now I don't have Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. But maybe I will be play the next time. Uh, Here, roll under to win, and you can change roll over to win. You can click this button for your play, and the next this is I'll bid for VIP game. You can see it. This is I'll dig, and here this winner. Okay. Right now we are clear, and so maybe you can try to your lucky die and more profit. Very simple and very good for you gambling project, and you can join this VIP game. Okay, see you next time and the next video. See you, goodbye, and good luck for you.